Hey guys, Dave at HD Trucks and Equip in Henderson, Tennessee, and I have another 2014 5500 Dodge Ram with the Cummins diesel and a crew cab with the Knapheide service body on it and the 3203 AutoCrane. So I have two of these in stock at the moment. This one has just that 135,000 miles on it. So this does not have the back seat. It has toolboxes in there instead. So if you want back seat, you just have to get a hold of the salvage company, I guess, and you can just put it in. Power locks, power windows, nice. Seating is good. Headliner is good. Does have a backup camera in it. Let me see if I can get that turned on for you. Yeah, there you go. It does have a backup camera. Air conditioning feels real good today. It's a little warm. Hey, factory trailer brake right there. Oh, look, it's four-wheel drive. And it's showing 134 on the mileage. So the check engine light is on, but when we run this codes on it, there's no codes. So nobody knows why the check engine light is on. There's no codes. The scanners, both of our scanners both say the same thing, no codes present. So we delete the light, and then sometimes it stays on, sometimes it goes off. When it comes back on again, still no codes. So there's just some kind of a dumb little problem. Hey, it's got, but it's not a drivability issue though. Hey, we got a strobe lights on it. We got work lights right there. We got nice Knapheide body, and Knapheide body on this side has a couple of rollout drawers on it. On the other side, there's another cabinet with like 5 or 6 rollout drawers, and this has a big 120 volt inverter in it. Everything on this truck works that I'm aware of, including the 3203 AutoCrane. So it does what it's supposed to do. Now, I do not have the extra 5-foot extension out on that. So you got about another 5 foot that you can go without having anything. As I say, everything does what it's supposed to do. The batteries are out on it right now, so I've got it hooked up with the emergency manual cable. 2014 mechanics service body with AutoCrane, 135 on mileage. Dodge Ram 5500 four-wheel drive with only 135,000 miles on it. Where do you find them? Once again, this is Dave at HD Trucks and Equip. If you can use this truck, give me a call, 602-510-5444. Once again, 602-510-5444. And as usual, thank you for looking.